Today we have a 2001 MORI SEIKI MT2000SZ. Machine has an LNS quick load servo S3 bar feed. It's got high pressure coolant. It's got a chip conveyor, 40 position tool changer, 12 position lower turret with live tooling. All right, let's run it. We got collet chucks on the main end sub spindle. We're running the sub spindle first. We got C axis on both spindles as well. What RPM is that? 1500. 2500. All right. What do we do? Main spindle now?
C axis.
Okay, C axis. All right. Lower turret Z, then X. That's the live tool at 1100. Live tool at 1500. About 1900. Sounds good. All right. Now we're going to index the turret. All right. All right, B axis, X and Z sound good. Y axis. Now we're running the spindle. That's 1500. That's 2000. That's 3000. Sounds nice and quiet. All right. C axis on the main. Thousand RPM, 1500 up to that's 2000 RPM. That's around 3000 RPM. All right. We also have a large complement of tooling for the tool changer and for the lower turret. You can inspect this machine under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching our video.